Stop scrolling. New bombshell from the makers of Dhurandhar 2 just dropped, and it changes everything you think you know about Ranveer Singh's upcoming action thriller. What if the teaser isn't just a preview, but a message about the direction, stakes, and core conflict of the entire film? Today we unpack every hint, every theory, every casting clue, and lay it all out for you. Welcome back to Celeb Maki, Bollywood news, celebrity updates, movie breakdowns, and insider insights. Today we are diving deep into one of the year's most anticipated films, Dhurandhar 2, starring Ranveer Singh. Recently, director Aditya Dhar dropped a major hint about the Dhurandhar 2 teaser, leaving fans buzzing across social media. Today we'll go deep into what this means, what to expect from the story, the cast, the high-octane action, and why this sequel is set to make history. Before we begin, type Dhurandhar 2 in the comments if you're pumped for this film. Also, like this video early if you want more in-depth Bollywood breakdowns every week. But before we get into it all, take a second to subscribe to Celeb Maki and hit the bell so you never miss insider Bollywood news. Smash that like button if you think Ranveer Singh is going to give one of his career best performances in Dhurandhar 2. Comment below, what's your biggest question about Dhurandhar 2? Is it the storyline, the cast, the villain, the teaser hype? Let's get into it. 1. What we know so far. Ever since Dhurandhar 2 was announced, speculation has been running wild. The film is a follow-up to the high-octane first installment, a gritty action thriller that took Bollywood back to the spy game, espionage, and personal vendettas. Now, according to reports. Source: MSN Entertainment. Director Aditya Dhar has teased that the teaser is coming very soon and hinted that what we'll see isn't just footage, but a deep narrative signal about where the story is headed. That's huge. Because Dhurandhar wasn't a typical action movie, it was a blend of raw emotion, personal loss, and jaw-dropping action sequences. Fans are wondering, will Ranveer Singh elevate this sequel even further? Let's break it all down. 2. Franchise background and expectations. To understand the hype, we need to look back. The first Dhurandhar movie introduced us to an unapologetic, fiercely loyal, emotionally charged character world. It wasn't just bullets and fights, it was a character-driven espionage drama. Ranveer Singh didn't just play the hero, he embodied the mind, grit, and psyche of an undercover warrior. That film worked because it balanced swift action, emotional stakes, smart plotting, stylish direction. So, with Dhurandhar 2, expectations are already sky high. You don't just hype a sequel with a promo, you tease the direction of the narrative, the stakes, and the heart of the story. That's what Aditya Dhar's comment about the teaser seems to suggest. 3. What Aditya Dhar's teaser hint really means. So, here's the core of the story. Dhar hinted that the teaser isn't just a montage, it's a narrative statement. In Bollywood, teasers often do one of two things. 1. Give you cool visuals and music, or 2. Give you narrative context. When a director says the teaser carries intent, purpose, and foreshadowing, it usually means a new character arc, a deeper villain reveal, a major plot twist, a thematic shift. Every iconic franchise teaser delivers one thing, a message of direction, not just action. And that's why Dhurandhar 2 is already trending, because fans know what's coming won't be just another action flick. 4. Ranveer Singh's character evolution. Now, let's talk about the man at the center, Ranveer Singh. From Bajirao to Gully Boy to high-octane ensemble films, Ranveer has never played it safe. And Dhurandhar 2 gives him the chance to step into complex emotional territory. Intelligence game dynamics, strategic conflict, psychological layering, People aren't just waiting for stunts, they're waiting to see how Ranveer embodies this layered character, emotionally and physically. His performance must carry intensity, vulnerability, strategy, purpose. And that's why even the teaser, before it's out, has fans buzzing. They know this isn't just action, it's character cinema. 5. Other cast and what fans expect. While Ranveer Singh is the anchor, fans are also talking about new additions in Dhurandhar 2, supporting cast who might influence major plot lines, possible antagonist reveals, rumored cameos and cross-universe connections. In modern Bollywood franchise cinema, every cast reveal shapes expectations, not just story prediction. Who's the villain? What's the psychological wedge here? Is there a new love angle? Is the past coming back in a bigger way? These are the questions fans are asking, and that's why the teaser hype is real. Remember how KGF teasers didn't just show visuals? They framed the world, philosophy, conflict, and destiny? That's the bar Dhurandhar 2 is being compared to. 6. Trailer speculation and fan theories. With teasers on the horizon, there are dozens of trending fan theories. Maybe the villain is linked to Ranveer's past? Maybe the setting is international? A psychological edge where the hero faces moral conflict? A betrayal angle that redefines loyalty? Fans online are already dissecting every hint. And the hype isn't random. Because when a teaser hint drops before footage, it signals that the first look will be loaded with meaning. That means reactions will be big and engagement will spike. Predictions. So let's wrap this up. Dhurandhar 2 isn't just another sequel. It's shaping up to be a story-driven action thriller, a character evolution piece, a psychological and strategic narrative, a global anticipation event. And Ranveer Singh is leading that charge. With the director hinting at a meaningful teaser, we can expect one thing: a teaser that reveals more than it hides. That's how iconic franchises are built, and that's how Dhurandhar 2 is already trending. Now tell me in the comments, what are you most excited to see in Dhurandhar 2? The story? The cast? The action? Or the psychology behind the hero? Smash that like button if you're hyped, subscribe for all the latest Bollywood updates, and hit the bell so you don't miss the teaser reaction video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.